Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Winifred and it's good to have you here. So in today's video I thought to do a 2-in-1 video on style inspiration and also how to be a successful fashion designer. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button. Our case study today is VEEKEE James. Alright guys, let's go. VEEKEE James is a billionaire fashion designer. She is a far promising fashion designer based here in Nigeria, and she's good at her crafts. Number one lesson that you learn from VEEKEE James is that she is good at her craft. You can't just be sewing rubbish for people and expect to be paid more. So you need to improve more on your skills and also be good at what you do. In a nutshell, be good at what you do. Number two, she's a very confident person. If you are selling anything and you are not confident, I don't know what you are selling, because nobody will buy from you if they know that you are timid and you don't know what you are selling. Number three, you have to be very creative. VEEKEE James is a very creative fashion designer. You will hardly see her copy another person's style. She does her own style and she does it beautifully well. Number three is packaging. All right, VEEKEE James packages her goods very well. You have to package your good very well. You don't just squeeze your clothes inside one nylon and give it to the owner. You have to make sure that your packaging is top notch. Another thing is that VEEKEE James prices are worth. She does not just sew anything like 1,000. She even said that the list of her clothes is 1 million naira. You can imagine. You have to price your worth as a fashion designer. You don't just price anything. If not, you continue to be a pauper in this business. So you price, you calculate the cost of your fabrics up to the zip and the thread, and then you add your workmanship. That's how to cost your clothes. You have to really price your worth and deliver. So don't let them come and be posting your picture up and down like, see what I ordered versus what I got. Price your worth. When you are good at your craft and you are creative enough, price your worth. Make sure you calculate all the materials you are going to be needing to make your fabric very, very good and sophisticated up to the point of the thread. Then you add your workmanship, and don't let your workmanship be just any price. Put your bill on it, okay? Don't be scared that if I make it too expensive, maybe nobody will buy from me. They will buy. There's always a market for everything. If VEEKEE James can sell one of our clothes for 1 million naira and people are buying, then you can also sell yours too. And lastly, you have to know God. Yes, if you are not a believer and you are selling anything, how do you want to pray for God to bless your business? You have to know God. So I'm happy that I've shared this with you. Let's look at the life of VEEKEE James and know that as a fashion designer, you can make it, you can make waves, you can go places, you can go on vacations. It's not just a shop where you just be in shop all the time. So guys, this is all I've been able to gather from the life of VEEKEE James, and I hope that we learn one or two things from it and it will change our lives. So till I see you in my next video, I want you to know that I love you and I care about you. Bye.